This 200-watt BougeRV Yuma flexible solar panel uses copper, indium, gallium selenide thin film cells that perform more reliably than typical crystalline panels when skies are hazy or the array is partly shaded. Its extremely bendable construction can contour around curved roofs on recreational vehicles, boats, and other irregular surfaces where rigid panels simply will not fit. The panel is remarkably thin and light for its output, so it is much easier to lift onto a roof and position without needing heavy mounting hardware. Pre-applied adhesive tape on the back allows a clean, drill-free installation that is especially appealing for van-built or fiberglass roofs you do not want to puncture. An ethylene tetrafluoroethylene surface and fully sealed junction box give it strong resistance to water and harsh weather, making it well-suited for long-term outdoor use. Backed by long-term technical support from BougeRV, it is a solid choice for anyone building a compact, flexible solar system for travel or off-grid projects.